Okay, today we're going to do my Red Hat guided exercise. I haven't done a video in a while, so we're just going to run this. And this is going to link me into ECU. I'm going to use KeyPass, copy password, paste. And we're in. We're going to start the lab. We have to turn on my virtual machine. We're going to drag the instructions over here. Nope, I want you, there you go. I'm going to put that over there, put this over there. And we'll see if the web console will launch. Yep, we're good. And we're open. And we got our shell. There we go. Let's go ahead and size this back up a little bit better. Is that it? It shouldn't be so... Okay, yeah, that's it. That should work. Control L, clears the screen. We're in lab workstation. We're going to exit, go back to the original one. We're going to do a history. Should be these commands. I don't really need that many. Where is the RHCSA status all? 12. All my workstations are running. 3, we're going to SSH into student workstation because that's where we are. Then lab, SSH, customize, start. So this is pretty far into the SSH chapter, but it's not that much. We'll go ahead and do quite a lot just in this alone. So we're going to SSH as student at server B. We're logged in. We're going to switch to the operator 2. We're going to SSH keygen. It's going to create a key. Does it want... Yep, no issue, no passphrase, no passphrase. And then we're going to copy it to another computer. I didn't know this until this chapter. I've been doing SSH, I've used it for years. Didn't know I could copy. So server A, that's going to copy it over. Yes. And what's password? And that just copied my SSH public key over to server A. I wish I had known that way earlier. From to successfully log into server A as operator 2, SSH operator 2 at server A. And no issue. Exit. When you have a private key, when you have these authorization keys, you don't have to type the password in. And then we can log in as root. SSH root at server A. It's going to ask for a password because we're not using a key for the root, but we do have a key for operator. And it'll let us in, and that's not good. We do not want to be able to log in as root. So we're going to exit over here. We're going to SSH as operator 3 at server A. And this is the preceding SSH command. Use password for authentication. Yep, there's no SSH key for it. Okay, we just did that as operator 3 and root. So we're going to probably disable root and we're going to disable root, but then be able to sign in as operator 2. Okay, we're signing in as operator 2. We're going to change the root. There. Ooh, they try to trick me. They just like tell everything is, oh, set login to no. Well, that requires us to vim into the SSH key. Vim into etc ssh sshd config, enter, and now I'm in. We're gonna jump down j, and we're gonna jump until we find print root login. There we go, and then leap over to the right. XXXI no. Ooh, space no. Escape. Anything else I want us? Just permit root login. Escape colon right and quit. And then system ctl reload sshd. Sorry, configure and server B classroom. Okay. And now we want to open a new tab. Yep, that'll work. There we go. SSH as operator 2 at server B. For our convenience, passwordless login is already configured between workstation server B. No big deal. And then we're going to SSH root at server A. Ah, damn. Cancel that. Password. And it's going to say, nope, can't do that. It's just going to say you can't do it. And keep typing the password. Why won't I log in as root? Configure SSH survey allow user authenticate SSH rather than passwords. Return the first terminal. That is root created on server A. Set password authentication to no. Yep, there we go. That's an issue. Let's go in there. We're going to jump down. Authorization file to authorize keys. Password authentication. Leap, 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 leap. R N. Oh. No, that don't work. Escape. Kick up. Leap right. Replace with O. Then X. Delete that. Password authentication. No. Escape. Colon right quit. So now no one should be able to load into system to server A with passwords. You have to have a key. We have to reload the configuration. Good. Go to the second terminal. And the terminal's too big, but this is another tab for the terminal over there. SSH operator 3 at server A. Permission denied. Don't have a key, don't have a password. Now, for more granularity, you may use explicit TAC O password authentication options with the SSH command. So how do you override the SSH command's default confidential determine that the preceding commands fails based on settings you adjusted? What? I'll have to look more into that. That's kind of weird. I don't know how that would work. Return the first terminal as root user cell and server A. Verify the pub key is enabled. Just make sure. It just wants us to look to see that pub key is enabled. Kick up. Jump down. Man, it's, you know, you go log on to one website and they don't about crypto, and they do not stop talking about it. Oh, so it is. Ah, my God, how do I search for something? Pub. Jeez, I gotta practice Vim. I forgot how to search for things. We'll do that later. That's pub key authentication. There it is. Is yes. Notice that it is commented. Any commented line in the file uses the defaulted value. Commented lines indicate the default values, parameters, public key authentication as active by default. As command indicates, return the second terminal that's operator 2 in the shell active in server B and try to log in server A is operator 2. It should succeed because we have an SSH key. Yep, I don't even need to sign in. Exit from second terminal, exit. Now our operator 2, exit. Now I'm back at workstation. Close the second terminal, exit, exit. There we go. Be sure to complete the step, otherwise the scripts won't work correctly. From this one, copy etc ssh shd config to root sshd config dot bak. ls root ssh. Yeah, it's there. So we're over here, it says close the second terminal on workstation. Over here it says, oh, use the first terminal. You don't have to say first terminal anymore. That's a little confusing, but that's okay. Copy tmp config irg to etc ssh shd config overwrite yes system ctl restart. I don't know why we're starting it instead of reloading it, but okay, let's do it. Exit, exit, and now I am operator on server B. Exit again, and now I'm student server. Exit again. Very good, that is it. So now we go to, yeah, man, it's probably because I'm signed onto it right now is why it keeps happening. Lab ssh dot customize grade. There's a little bit more to it, but that's all there is to the lab. There's some more studying. This is for RHCSA. We're almost halfway through one class. There's two classes in one class. There's two, like, and then like, I should be able to do all this in a few minutes. There's a bunch of steps to do. Anyways, 100% pass. Lab SSH customize finish. I thought there was going to be more to it, where we configure SSH agent so we can do use a passphrase login for SSH only one time. Anyways, thanks for joining. We'll put this on the YouTube. Bye.